What makes Maryam so special, she's not just a woman who's great because she happened to be the mother of a prophet. She was great because of who she was. This woman ate, breathed, drank the dhikr of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the remembrance of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, even as she was a young girl. And so Zakaria Islam would come, find her worshipping Allah all the time.
As she was being prepared for something very, very great to happen, when she was still quite young, growing up, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent a message to her via the angels. And the angels told her,
"O Maryam, Allah has chosen you and cleansed and purified you and made you above all of the women of the world."
And she had her place of worship. She was in her own corner. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says,
"And she took in seclusion from them."
And as she is there by herself remembering Allah,
Jibreel visited Maryam and said to Maryam, "O Maryam, we are giving you glad tidings
of a pure boy. And she said, "How can I have a boy while no man has touched me? Your Lord says, it is easy for me.
Kun, be, and it will be.
We will make him a sign to the people and a mercy from us."
Amazing. She is trying to digest, and she understood it very carefully. Before she knew it, already Jibreel alayhi salam, what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala had instructed him to blow, and she had conceived.